see here, when we are seeing this discus throw, the court, see there is no that bar, right? You can see the difference of that discus throw and shot put, right? There is no, here see there is no the bar, but in shot put you can see that bar, right? These are the examples and these are the equipments and codes of that shot put and discus. Right, from 3 weeks we are studying about that. Uh, Running events, track events, throwing events, and field events, and what are the important things and what are the rules we need to follow, right? These all are the things we studied, and see the summary of this one. Right here, they are giving all events coming under athletic has been classified into 5 collections, like that is field and track events, race walking, road racing. The classification of the chart, right? The chart is very important part. That is the chart containing 10 MCQ questions in your O-level paper. So you need to follow and you need to go through the chart every day, right? That is the input. This is the chart. This is the chart. This is the chart. You need to important. You need to study hard and you need to memorize this. Right? This is the chart is very important part in this lesson. Right, after that they are telling the track and field events can be classified again into track event and field events and combined events. In first class we talk about the combined events and all. Joining more than one event, more than two events, that we are having these uh, uh, events combined together, that is called combined events. Right, they are having 5 events combined, 7 event combined, 10 event combined. Likewise they are. There are 3 types of combined events, that is based on the number of the events that is you are learned earlier. And again, they are talking about the race walking and the symbols of race walking, right? And what are the fault will happen in the race walking? What is the judgment? How the starter having that symbol to have the working, controlling that start walking. And standing start and crouch start, we are talking about the track events, right? 400 meter, below 400 meter, that are short distance running. For that, we are using the crouch start, right? More than 800 meter events, we are having the starting event. We are started that standing start, right? And they are having a 2 commands. In crouch start, we are having a 3 commands, right? And that is we studied earlier. And next we studied about the relay race. Right, in the relay race, they are having the changing between the 3 methods. Right, in the 3 methods, mixed method, right, light method, left method are having a methods. So you need to go through that one. After that, we studied about that long jump and high jump. We studied, sorry, not high jump, only we studied the long jump. And the techniques we followed, and they are having the stages also. After that, we talk about that high jump too, right? That is in that high jump, we talk about that Flusbury flop. What is the main reason of that? In the modern world nowadays, why we need to have that Flusbury flop? என்னத்துக்காக அது எங்களுக்கு முக்கியமான தேவையா இருக்கிற high jump ல பார்த்தோம். And we talk about that techniques of stages and techniques of that jumping events. And next today we thought about right the short part and discuss how is that equipment will be and how that court will be like, and what are the rules and regulations for both. We are having the rules and regulation. What are the rules and regulations? These all are we studied up to now in this 5th unit, right? Now we I think you can do these all the questions in your own.